How to fix PowerPoint's cannot play media error. If you're trying to present or review a slide and PowerPoint hits you with a cannot play media error, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this step by step. We'll repair video compatibility, update audio and video codecs, and tweak your settings so your media plays smoothly every time. So first, let's use PowerPoint's built-in tools to automatically convert and re-encode broken video or audio files. So just open up your presentation, click on File, and then make sure that you're on the Info tab right here. Then, depending on the version of your app, look for the Optimize Media Compatibility button right near the top. After you click it, PowerPoint will scan your slides, update and upgrade embedded video codecs, and fix playback formats so your media plays without throwing errors. Next, if temporary cache files or broken file paths are blocking video playback, let's clear your temp folder and reinsert the file. So press on Windows plus R combination to open up this run window. In here, type in %temp and %, and press enter. Alright guys, and select all files, okay, and delete them in this folder to clear PowerPoint's media cache. Now go ahead and return to your presentation, delete the broken video frame, go to Insert, then you go to Media and Video, which is right here. Select this device, obviously, and just upload and reinsert the raw video file saved directly on your local C drive or desktop. What if your video file uses a exotic container or unsupported audio codec like MKV or AV1 or AVI? You can just convert it to a universal MP4 file. So just use a free tool or online converter to convert your video into a MP4 file with H.264 video and AAC. PowerPoint natively supports H.264 MP4s, completely eliminating cannot play media errors across both Windows and Mac. That's all there is to it. Enjoy.